Hello everybody, my name is Jacob Sheets, your Wisconsin Realtor, and I'm excited to show you my newest listing here in Eagle, Wisconsin. And just wait till the very end to see the incredibly renovated basement. So if you did fall in love with this home and you want to set up a showing, more information, or just to write an offer, make it yours, go ahead and reach out to me and my team. Contact information will be on the screen now or below. Thank you so much, and until next time.